This is the time to build the temple of peace, and this is the time to build the temple of unity. First of all, I would like to thank God and thanks to the organizing committee, convener, and thanks to my cabinet colleagues, and thanks to all the members of NLFT for this auspicious occasion which I'm given the opportunity to express from the bottom of my heart. Today, especially, once again, I would like to thank the organizing committee which they have organized it successfully and we enjoyed it. This is the first most important meetings. National Liberation Front of Tripura returnees ni Malay Matanda. And today, before me, lots of people have spoken many valuable words, encouraging words, inspiring words, especially identity. Now, today here, I am standing in front of you, not to give a lecture or give a sermon. I am standing here in front of you to speak from the bottom of my heart. And today, I would like to share about the 35 years of our sacrifice for our people and land. And during these 35 years, there are many achievements, visible achievements, invisible achievements. These achievements are much greater than 250 crores. And today, National Liberation Front of Tripura, NLFT, was established on 12 March 1989 by few broad intellectuals for the cause of our people and land. And now today, no matter what we have come across, there is a time of joy and happiness, and also there is a time of sorrow and pain, and many of our brave and patriotic soldiers lost their life for the cause of our people and land. And we will ever give homage to their departed souls, and their spirit will roar, and their spirit will move with us. We will continue to move forward with one team and one spirit. And today I would like to share about the seeds and importance of unity. The seeds of unity is where there is love, there is peace. Where there is peace, there is unity. Aboni bagai, tagaw bukuro, tini porjonto, chini thani, hamjakna krui. Tama hamjakna, hamjakna no chung, tubunani nangnai, hamjakmani tubunani hingke. Nung ang chung se hamjakmani tubunani nangnai. Chung tubu yakeke tubu maya. Chung kubang makok sai mano. Abohin panbo. Chini thani. Hamjakna tai kubui. Krui the. Chung chini samung ro. Kuno din success try maya. Aboni bagai. Paidi taku bukuro. Chung the love of God, you know. The love of God by Chung kroksa bakhabai bukubaya hamjaklainase nango. Hamjakna number 1. Tai Chung tansa hino. Hamjakmani bisingo. Chung tansa tubunani hingke. We cannot bring unity through political unity. Political unity Srathani Bagoi say. Only 5 years we can say. If we want to bring long-lasting unity of the broad nation, we have to strike from the grassroots level. We have to reform our society. Today, before me, they have mentioned about drugs and HIVs and all those things. These are the social evils. Through these are coming. The Indian government and the state government is injecting divide and rule policy among us. So, in order to bring unity with the love of God and with the love, we have to love ourselves first. If we don't know how to love ourselves, we cannot love others. So I would like to request all Taku and Buku, let us move forward with one spirit, one mind, one team, and one goal. Sooner or later, we will achieve our ultimate goal. Here now, the seeds of unity is love. Where there is love, there is peace. Where there is peace, where there is love and peace, there is unity. And the power of unity. Recently, we have seen in the media how Sheikh Hasina, Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina was dethroned by the student organization. That is what we call the power of unity. And a decade ago, there in South Korea, they dethroned the president, national president, the same by the mass people. It doesn't need to be impeached in the Senate. He was dethroned, or she was dethroned by the power of unity. And today, I would like to request those who are here on this dais to know and learn how to love and to know the power of unity. And sooner or later, the victory flag will flutter in the sky on the soil of Tripura. We will be successful. In the last 76 years, our forefathers, their sacrifices has been in vain due to lack of dynamic, nationalist-minded leader and due to lack of vision and due to lack of unity. And we have failed today, the present generation, we have failed to reflect the past mistake committed by our forefathers. And we are repeating the same mistakes again and again. So, just now before me, we mentioned that we have to change a new system, a new strategy, so that we will be able to move forward effectively and constructively and reach our ultimate final goal. By the grace of God, I have traveled all over the world. I have disseminated the truth about Tripura Kingdom, that is the history of Tripura in international arenas. It is good, but not just good enough. The most important is homeland unity and homeland power. The United Nations Declaration on the Rights of Indigenous People. There are lots of articles for us, but we peoples here, even we don't know our own human rights. What is right? Human rights today, the world, all the institutions and the governments are scared of it. Human rights. Even the jail, courts, judges, everywhere. But we don't know our own human rights. Manusik odikar, chini manusik odikar no chung sia, amo sina ni nang nai, si kese chung. Banjai ni thani hindi, jekono thani hindi, chini enemies rong ni thani chung, defend klaiman nai. Tini Jekono Samung Chung Khwlainakhe Srapsani Bagoi Cekap Chong Manghai Ongoi Bathako Human Rights Organization Age BPHRO Hino BPHRO Abo Tongpuro Abo Baino Chung International Arena Chung Kabang Ma Chini grievance, tai, chini ground reality no chung international level highlight Khwlainakhe disseminate Khwlainakhe piaba chung chini own manushik adhikar no tai chini human rights no se chung important roya aboni bagai takho bukurok phaidi tai waisa chung no a human rights organization no tai waisa chung ti sawari effective khai tabuk naidi we have to learn bubal krabasada we have to learn from the Nagas and from the Mizo we have to learn from them this Naga movement for human rights US at hang puro hinke borok hinke pas hoy jono phayo mugli ro pas hoy jono phayo chini hani hinke ang several times 3 times hangyat I ani khitro ko phinang phiknang abo se ang thango ang thangnania chini hani borok civil society NGO se thangnani first time puro ang statement roka next ang tai statement roya karon hente chini life ni rich tongo phaidi takok bukurok tabuk conclusion or in conclusion I would like to call upon the Borok student here is very few